on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Cheez-It pizzas. They actually have 3 different ones. I didn't find the Cheddar Jack Supreme one, but I do have the Italian 4 cheese. It's made with whole milk mozzarella, yellow cheddar, Parmesan, Romano, and marinara. And it's made with 100% real cheese. And here I have the pepperoni. This also has whole milk mozzarella, yellow cheddar, and marinara. So these are supposed to bake in 8 minutes. And it also has the original Cheez-It flavored cracker thin crust. Okay, so the baking instructions. You set your oven to 450 degrees and you're supposed to bake it 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what the pepperoni looks like, and as you can see, the crust is a big Cheez-It. And here is the 4 cheese. It looks really good. So I'm going to get ready to put them into my 450 degree oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is the 4 cheese one. It looks really good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try the 4 cheese first. As you can see, I went ahead and cut it into squares. As you can see, it's a big Cheez-It and it's nice and crispy on the bottom. Okay guys, so I did taste it. It's really good. I like it. And it does taste like a Cheez-It. So if you guys like Cheez-Its, you'll love these pizzas. So I'm going to try out the pepperoni next. The flavor of all the cheeses together is really good. Here's the pepperoni. I'm about to cut it. Okay guys, I'm about to taste the pepperoni. And of course you guys know the pepperoni is going to have a little bit more flavor. So this one is also really good. So guys, 1 to 10. I will give the pepperoni an 8.5 and the cheese an 8. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the saucy chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?